domain and range of cosine function. Domain. The cosine function is defined for all real numbers. The standard form is y equal to cos x. Even when transformed, e.g. y equal to cos 3x plus pi, the domain remains all real numbers because sine can take any input. Range. Range of cosine function. The basic cosine outputs values between -1 and 1. The range of standard cosine function is -1, 1. For a general cosine function, which is y equal to a cos bx plus c plus d. Amplitude. The amplitude is absolute A and the range becomes square bracket d minus absolute A, d plus absolute A. Let us consider this example for better understanding. Y equal to 3 cos 2x minus pi plus 1. Our general cosine form is y equal to a cos bx plus c plus d. If we compare these two functions together, our a is 3 and our d is 1. A equal to 3 and d equal to 1. The domain, the cosine function is defined for all real numbers. So our domain is negative infinity, infinity. Our range is d minus absolute A, d plus absolute A, close square bracket. Our range is, let us substitute the value of d and A. We are going to have 1 minus absolute 3, 1 plus absolute 3. So our range is 1 minus 3, 1 plus 3. So if you simplify, we are going to have -2, 4. That is our range. Let us consider another example. Y equal to -2 cos 3x plus pi all over 2 minus 4. Our general cosine function is y equal to a cos bracket bx plus c plus d. If we compare these two functions together, our a is minus 2, our d is minus 4. A equal to minus 2, d equal to minus 4. Domain. The cosine function is defined for all real numbers. So our domain is negative infinity, comma, infinity. Range. Our range is square bracket d minus absolute a, comma, d plus absolute a. Let us substitute the value of d and a into this expression. R square bracket minus 4 minus absolute minus 2, comma, minus 4 plus absolute minus 2. Range is minus 4 absolute minus 2 will give us 2, minus 2, comma, minus 4 plus absolute minus 2 will give us 2. 2 square bracket. Our range will be minus 6, comma, and minus 2.